Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best garage refrigerator heater is probably one of the most important investments you can make to protect your garage refrigerator from freezing temperatures and ensure its longevity, especially if you live in an area with harsh winters. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing the right garage refrigerator heater kit to keep your drinks and food perfectly chilled, no matter the weather outside. Number 5. Frigidaire Garage Heater Kit. This is an original Frigidaire part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance for your appliance. It's designed to meet the highest quality standards. The model number is clearly displayed, making it easy to verify compatibility with your Frigidaire refrigerator. Double-check this number to ensure a proper fit. It is designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. The kit includes everything you need for a smooth process. This kit is specifically designed to provide efficient heating for your garage refrigerator. It helps maintain optimal temperature for food preservation. It is built to last and provide reliable performance, keeping your food fresh for longer. You can trust in its durability and efficiency. Experience the Frigidaire difference with this high-quality replacement part. It's made to the same exacting standards as your original appliance. What we like. It's an original Frigidaire part, ensuring a perfect fit and reliable performance. Installation is a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you value authenticity and ease of use, this is the ideal choice for your Frigidaire garage refrigerator. What people say. The installation was easy and took about 30 minutes. It is now January 18th and the fridge has been working perfectly. It cycles on and off normally and everything in the freezer remains frozen solid. The fridge also chills normally. This device resolves the issue by keeping the internal thermometer in a specific range, so the freezer doesn't stop working. I've had zero issues since installing. I added this heater, which is genuine Frigidaire and came in a factory sealed box, in about 10 minutes and everything works well. The freezer stays at the proper temperature as does the fridge. Simple, easy to install, and gets the job done. Number 4. BlueStars Refrigerator Garage Heater Kit. This kit is designed to replace worn-out heating elements in your refrigerator. It's compatible with many major brands, saving you time and money on repairs. Installing this kit is simple and straightforward. You'll save on costly professional repairs and get your refrigerator working efficiently again. It fits many top brands like Kenmore and Frigidaire. It replaces several part numbers, including 530, 391, 8301, AH900213, and PS900213. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. This heater kit helps your refrigerator system perform at its best. It ensures proper functionality and prevents costly breakdowns. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our lifetime protection against defects. It's a reliable solution for your refrigerator's heating needs. Before purchasing, please double-check your refrigerator's model number to ensure compatibility. Contact us if you need assistance. What we like. This kit boasts compatibility with numerous brands and models, saving you the hassle of searching for a specific part. It also comes with a lifetime protection guarantee, providing long-term peace of mind. If you need a reliable, widely compatible solution with lasting protection, this is the one for you. What people say. My freezer failed to keep food frozen when garage temperatures dropped during the winter months. This product fixed the issue. Installation was easy and only took about 15 minutes. Purchased for a newer refrigerator that we have in our garage where the freezer temps go up as the outside temperatures drop. Works great so far, and hasn't melted the light cover where it's mounted. Number 3. Frigi&daire Kenmore Garage Heater Kit. Introducing the Frigi&daire Kenmore Garage Refrigerator Heater Kit. It ensures your food stays at the perfect temperature, even in fluctuating garage conditions. This kit is designed to seamlessly integrate with your Frigi&daire Kenmore refrigerator. It's a perfect replacement for part numbers 530, 391, 8301, 103, 7646, AH900213, EA900213, PS900213, LP15815, and AP37222172. It works with many Frigi&daire models, including FFH1767GW, FRS3HR5HW, FRS3R5EMB, FRS6HR5HW, FRS6R5EMB, FRT17B3AW, and FRT18IS6CB. Check your model for compatibility. This heater kit is specifically engineered for Frigi&daire garage refrigerators. It's built to withstand the temperature variations of a garage environment. Please note, it won't work with refrigerators made before 2001, side-by-side or counter-depth models, or those with electronic controls. Always double-check your model number. While it's not an original part, it meets OEM standards, providing reliable performance and a perfect fit. Enjoy peace of mind with this high-quality replacement. What we like. It's designed for a perfect fit with a wide range of Frigidaire and Kenmore models, ensuring seamless integration. It meets OEM standards, guaranteeing quality and performance. If you need a reliable, high-quality replacement that fits perfectly, this is the option for you. What people say. Drop to -1 and still keeping things in the fridge at temperature. The item was easy to install and works well so far. This heater works great for keeping my garage fridge running when the garage gets cold. Notice the freezer food wasn't frozen, turn this on and 10 minutes later the fridge was running. Number 2. Garage Refrigerator Heater Kit. Introducing the Garage Refrigerator Heater Kit. It's designed to keep your food fresh, even in freezing temperatures. This simple kit ensures reliable performance year-round. This kit is compatible with a wide range of refrigerators. Check the compatibility list to see if it works with your model. It's designed for seamless installation. Installation is a breeze. The kit comes with easy-to-follow instructions. You'll have it up and running in no time. It provides reliable heating, preventing your refrigerator from freezing up in cold garages. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your food is safe. It's built with high-quality materials for long-lasting performance. This is a smart investment to protect your appliance. Don't let cold temperatures damage your refrigerator. This kit helps extend its lifespan and saves you money on repairs. It's a worthwhile addition to your garage setup. What we like. This kit is compatible with a variety of brands, making it a versatile solution for many garage refrigerators. It's specifically designed for garage use, ensuring optimal performance in colder environments. If you need a versatile and durable solution for your garage refrigerator, regardless of brand, this is the one to consider. What people say. Works great, easy to install, fits without being seen, keeps refrigerator cool all year long. It worked perfectly. I can now use my extra refrigerator in the garage during the winter months instead of it just sitting there for 3 to 4 months unused. And so simple. Probably took 30 minutes to install, but so worth it. Part arrived on time. Installation was easy and as per instructions. Heater fit like it was made for it. Turned down T-stat. Compressor is cycling normal and maintaining temp. Number 1. AP37222172 Refrigerator Heater Kit. Is your refrigerator not cooling properly? This heater kit might be the solution. It's designed to help maintain the optimal temperature for your food. This kit is designed for simple installation. You can easily replace the old heater and get your refrigerator back to its peak performance. It's compatible with various refrigerator models, including AP37222172, PS900213, and 530-391-8301. Check your model number to ensure compatibility. This kit uses high-quality parts to ensure long-lasting performance and reliability. It is built to withstand the demands of daily use. Don't let a faulty heater ruin your food. Replace it with this kit and restore your refrigerator's cooling power, keeping your food fresh for longer. Experiencing inconsistent cooling? This heater kit could be the answer. It helps maintain a stable temperature, preventing food spoilage. What we like. This kit is readily available and affordable, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious consumers. It provides a simple and effective solution for your garage refrigerator's heating needs. If you're looking for a straightforward, economical solution, this is the perfect choice. What people say. This worked great for us this winter. Freezer is working so far in the cold garage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.